Vietnam is one of Asia's most dynamic trading hubs, strategically located with direct access to ASEAN and global supply chains. The country participates in 15 major free trade agreements, creating a strong foundation for international trade. Setting up an import-export company here opens the door to both regional and worldwide markets. Vietnam is among the world's top 20 trading nations, with annual import-export turnover averaging around $700 billion USD. The country is a global manufacturing hub for electronics, textiles, footwear, and agricultural products, while simultaneously importing machinery and raw materials to fuel its production base. This dynamic trade ecosystem makes import-export one of the most profitable and strategic business sectors for foreign investors. Vietnam offers attractive tax incentives that make trading and export businesses highly competitive. Exported goods and services are generally subject to a 0% value-added tax, VAT, provided the company meets specific conditions. Manufacturing companies operating in industrial or export processing zones may also qualify for corporate income tax incentives, such as preferential rates of 10% for up to 15 years, full exemptions for the first 4 years, and 50% reductions for the following 9 years. These policies, combined with Vietnam's extensive network of free trade agreements, create one of the most favorable trade environments in Asia. When registering your company, you must select business lines under the official VSIC codes that cover import of goods, export of goods, and wholesale trade. Choosing the right scope is critical, as some products require special licensing. For general trading companies, you may register broad import-export lines to cover most goods. Vietnam does not set a fixed minimum charter capital for import-export companies. However, your declared capital must be realistic and sufficient for the trading scale you propose. For small to medium companies, charter capital commonly ranges from $10,000 to $150,000 USD. If you plan to trade in conditional goods like medical equipment, higher capital and special permits may be required. Every import-export company must also have a registered head office in Vietnam, which must be a legal business address, not a residential apartment. LTS law provides DOF-compliant virtual offices in Ho Chi Minh City, making the setup faster and fully legal. The company registration process in Vietnam consists of 3 main steps. Step 1 is to obtain the Investment Registration Certificate, IRC, which typically takes 2 to 3 weeks. Once the IRC is issued, the next step is to apply for the Enterprise Registration Certificate, ERC, which usually takes 1 week. After receiving the ERC, you will need to complete several post-licensing tasks, including making the company seal, tax registration, and opening a business bank account. To kickstart the process, we will send you an information sheet listing all the necessary details. Based on this, our legal team will complete all application forms and documents for submission. From there, we will take care of submitting your application and following up with the licensing authorities. Launching your import-export company the right way ensures you're legally equipped to move goods across borders, build relationships with suppliers, and operate smoothly under Vietnam's trade regulations. At LTS Law, we provide a proven one-stop solution to guide you through every legal step, turning paperwork into progress so you can focus on growing your business. Vietnam's trade potential is waiting. Let LTS Law be your legal partner on this journey. Contact us today or visit lts.com.vn to schedule your free consultation. Together, we'll get your import-export company up and running, legally, efficiently, and ready to compete globally.